Welcome to the Traveler for Life YouTube channel. In this video we are going to watch one of the best places to visit in Norway. Preikestolen, or the Pulpit Rock, is a wonderful mountain hikes and the most breathtaking viewing platform in the world. Once you reach to the top of the mountain you will enjoy an amazing nature view. The hike starts at the mountain cabin Preikestolen Fjellstue, and you can get there by car and boat. There is also a bus service from Stavanger. Preikestolen, the Pulpit Rock, towers 604 meters above the Lysefjord, and the trek there is one of Norway's most famous mountain hikes. The interest in Preikestolen is high, with more than 300,000 nature-loving hikers visiting the renowned rock formation every year. The hike to Preikestolen is a total of 8 kilometers, and the round trip takes 4 hours. The hike has an elevation gain of about 500 meters, and some sections are steep. As the hike is graded as medium difficulty, you should have some trekking experience in rough terrain before embarking on this trip.